Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our channel. So, ladies, today we are here with an amazing video of spiky hairstyle. As you know, that spiky is a hairstyle which is a very trendy haircut since 1990s. It has been a choice among people and it looks really amazing and trendy. So let us begin with our amazing video, ladies. As you know, that spiky is a cut which has shorter hairs, and it is a haircut for those people who want a mess-free life. You just need minimum hair products for a spiky haircut. Along with minimum time, you are ready to go anywhere. Ladies, spiky is a very trendy haircut. As you can see, it is a hairstyle which reflects boldness. If you want to look younger, then you must go for a spiky haircut. Spiky haircut have mixed length like this one. You can have longer length like this one. You can have shorter length like this one, or a medium length, which is a shoulder length, depending upon your choice and your preference, ladies. It is very important to figure out which length you want. For this, you can also consult your hairstylist, as it will provide you much more information that what kind of pixie or spiky haircut will look better on you. You can also use a stronghold gel wax, or you can maintain spikes throughout the day. Avoid using too much product as well, as it can weigh down your hair. You can see this is a spiky haircut, ladies, and it looks really gorgeous. Style spikes on your dry hair or slightly damp hair. Avoid applying products on soaking wet hair, as it may not hold the product very well. You can also use blow dry for the spikes in the hair. It has been fashion since many years to have a spiky haircut. Mostly it was a fashion in men, as you can see. Regular haircuts help maintain the shape and your style of the spiky hair. Keep the sides and back trimmed for a clean and polished look, ladies. Spiky hairstyles offer plenty of options to express your individuality. You can experiment with different styles, colors, and length. Thank you everyone for watching our video.